Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Najwa. So if you like beauty and lifestyle content, please consider to be subscribed to my channel. Click on the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I hope it's not too late for me to wish everyone Happy New Year. I hope everybody's 2022 will be much better than the last 2 years that we had. Today I'm doing an unbagging of my Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for the month of December. Yes, I know it's late, but I really did not have time to sit down and make a video of these bags because I just started working from the office. I really need time to actually adjust to everything, and hence why I do not have any videos out for weeks, and I'm really sorry about that. Just trying to find time to actually sit down and make a video, so I hope I'll be doing more videos for the weeks to come. And without further ado, let's get to the unbagging. First, we go into the Ipsy Glam Bag. I actually really love the bags for December because I feel that it really ties up to the theme of pink Christmas. So this is the bag for the Ipsy Glam. Pinkish glitter with a hint of rose gold. So it's really nice. I really like the bag. So let's see what we get inside. So for December 21, the theme was time to shine. So this is how the card looks like. And then it states everything that it has in the card. It states everything that it has in the bag. So as per usual, this bag is $13. So they have usually about 5 products in the bag. Yeah, sometimes you get full sizes products, and yeah, let's see what I got. So first thing that I got is actually, let me just check. The first thing I got is actually the Hip Dot Witchy Warms Novo 2 Trio eyeshadow. So this is how it looks like. Not sure what you can. So it's a really small sample, but it's really cute. So if you can see, the colors are really nice. Wow, I really like this. I really like the color. This color, it looks very glittery. So just, yeah, that is like literally glitter. So that was the Hip Dot eyeshadow. So the next item I got is actually the SL Miss Glam Small Powder Brush. So this is how it looks like. It's a really cute glittery design handle, and I've used this brush already. So I really like all SL Miss Glam brushes because I think, first of all, it has like all these rhinestones, very cute designs, and also it's the quality of the brush are really good. The next thing I got is the Polar Face and Sensitive Areas, the Genuine Lapland Cream with 3 Arctic berries. It says that it's a cream, but inside here it says, the name of the product is the Polar the Genuine Lapland Face Cream, but in the description it says that this protective balm, supposedly it helps to keep your skin moisturized during winter seasons especially. So you can also put this on your face and other sensitive areas. So let me see, it has a seal. So oh, okay, so just ignore the fact that I have glitter all over me. So the face cream, the cream smells really nice. Texture wise, it's really thick, so it really is good if you have like very dry skin. And then next, this one, I remember, I think I chose this product. So this one is the Contact Keratin Recovery Treatment. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is actually a deep conditioning treatment, supercharged with proteins and extracts, restore moisture, expectants, stop frizz, and reduces breakage. So this is like I would say like a mask sort of thing, because you have to put it in your hair, and then, so this is not a mask. So this is actually a conditioning treatment whereby you just put it on your hair and you can actually leave it on. It's like a leave-in conditioner, something like that. I'm so glad that I got this to try. And then the last thing that I got is the Tarte C Cervical mascara. So I actually love Tarte's mascara. I especially like, can't remember the name of the mascara at the top of my head right now, but Lights Camera Lashes mascara. That is one of my favorite. I've actually seen online that this mascara is also quite good, so I'm really excited to try it. So this is how it looks like. The brush, and if you have watched my videos, you know that I'm always on the hunt for good mascara, because I don't know, I love mascaras. I love to try mascara, so I'm glad I got this. So that is all that I got for my Ipsy Glam bag. So I got the Hip Dot eyeshadow palette, the brush, the thick cream, face and body cream, and then the Contacts Keratin treatment, and also the cervical mascara. Okay, so I honestly love all the products that I got in my Glam bag. I can't wait to try them out. So next we move on to the Glam Bag Plus. So this is how the bag looks like. It's pink with gold stars and dots, so it's really like a pink Christmas sort of feel. I love this bag as well. So let me see what I got inside. Okay, the first product that I got is the Bell and Argan. This is a set of 2 face brushes. This is actually the Leading Lady powder, bronze and buff brush. So this is the powder and a bronzer brush, and then the other one is the Spotlight blush and highlight brush. So you can actually use this brush for blush and highlight. So it's a really good quality brushes. It's really soft. Yeah, can't wait to try this out. The next product I got is actually a product that I chose. This is the Verb Ghost Prep Weightless Moisture Heat Protection Frizz Control Gel or Cream, I'm not too sure. So this is how it looks like. So this is actually a heat protectant for you to put on before you dry your hair or before you style your hair. So I've always wanted to try Verb products, so I'm glad that this was provided as a choice, so I chose this. Next product that I got is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. So okay, so this is how it looks like. Yeah, so this is like wow, okay, so this is how it looks like inside. So this actually helps with dull skin, so it gives you a bit of a glow. So I currently actually are using the, I can't remember the name of the product. I got that moisturizer in my Glam Bag X. I'm currently using the Volition Yopon Tea Glow Moisturizer. So once I run out of that, I'll be trying this on next. So I'm happy to get this as well. Okay, the next product that I got is the Rodial Glass Primer. This is a face primer. How it looks like. Yeah, this is a primer for a flawless glow. So a sheer hydrating primer with a soft glow that keeps skin looking plump and moisturized with a flawless glass skin effect. So you know that glass skin is a trend that everybody was hopping on. So apparently it will help you they will give you that flawless glass skin effect. So yeah, wear alone for a hydrated glowing feel or pair with makeup. So you can wear this just by itself or you can put it under makeup. Supposedly creates a protective barrier on the skin to lock in water, give an instant moisture feel. Glow microspheres provide skin radiance, creating a luminous canvas. So yeah, glad I got this one, because if you did not know, Rodial is a really expensive skincare line. I know Rodial from their Dragon's Blood line. They say that their Dragon's Blood skincare line is a really good skincare line to try, especially for older skin, I guess. I'm guessing especially for older skin. So yes, I'll be trying this out. And then, so the last product, which is always my favorite one, would be eyeshadow palette. So this is the Shayna B Miami Nights Pressed Pigment Palette. So this is how it looks like. I really like the packaging. It's really very nice color, purplish. So oops. So this is the color. This is how the palette looks like. I don't think I have I might have only one or two palettes that have this like sort of reddish tone color scheme. So I'm so glad that I got this one. So let me just swatch a few for you to see. I'm so intrigued on this like Queen of Diamonds color. Okay, it's really it's literally like pressed glitter, so you have to be really careful of it. Oh my god, I love this color. I'm sure you can see it. Oh my god, this color is so nice, but it's really soft in the palette, so it's literally pressed glitter. So I'm gonna get glitter all over my face, but it's okay. So yeah, I really like the palette. I can't wait to try it out. So that is what I got for my Glam Bag Plus. So I got the Miami Nights palette, I got the Verb Ghost Prep, the Rodial Glass Primer, the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer, and last but not least is the Belle and Argan face brushes. So I'm really happy with all the things that I got for the month of December. I'm looking forward for February Glam Bag X actually, because Ipsy has already revealed that Addison Rae will be the curator for February Glam Bag X. Addison Rae is actually, I think she was famous on TikTok, and then she moved on to actually creating the Item Beauty product line, which is a makeup line. We have gotten actually Item Beauty products in Ipsy bags before. She has now actually ventured into acting. She was in Netflix movie He's All That. He's All That is actually a remake of She's All That. If you know the 90s movie She's All That, yeah. So she is in a remake of that movie. So some people were not so keen on having Addison Rae as the curator, mainly I think because she's still new in the beauty sphere, I guess. I'm excited to see what they have in store for us. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you found it useful, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!